Hi guys, my name is Yulia and today's guest is physics and astronomy science tutor Anastasia Amosova.
Hi guys.
Tell me about your project.
We have a very interesting project. We research about mesospheric clouds. It's the highest clouds in the world, and we can see them only at night time and only in our latitudes and only in summer period. That's why right now it's very successful time to research all information about them.
How will you achieve your goals?
Okay, I think that here in this school the main goals is we need to teach children to do independent research. We try to learn them step by step how they can work with any devices. The most simplest, we start with phone. They have on their cell phone, and we have the video camera, and they install all these devices themselves. And we very long time talk about in which angle they need to install and how and which direction, because it's very important.
Mm-hmm. So can you tell me about your experiment with cameras and phones?
Yeah, every evening after the dinner and some ritual of the end of the day, they come in these three buildings here, in living buildings, in study buildings, and the library named by Nikolaev. They put their own cell phones, and for the night video, using the free apps, it's time lapse. And then before breakfast, they go all these 3 points and take their devices.
What do you want to get in the end of your work?
If we were lucky, I hope that we can catch the mesospheric clouds in our video. But unfortunately, science is not like planned. Sometimes during these 4 or 5 days, we can catch them, and maybe sometimes we can fail. It will be very interesting if we catch these mesospheric clouds and then work with them, because we need to find the propagation and the parameters of gravity waves through this mesospheric clouds. It's our name of the project, and it's our main goal.
Thank you for the interview. Today's guest was tutor of physics and astronomy science, Anastasia Amosova. Bye!
Bye guys! See you!